Hey you guys, got a project for the New Zealand coronavirus lockdown period. Lovely Honda Shuttle or Civic station wagon, depending where you're from. It's nothing special. She's pretty rough, but we will soon change that once we have her up and running. The interior is partly stripped out, as you can see. All of that is for the engine conversion that we have coming up for it. At the moment, it was a dual carb single cam. Now it's got a single carb single cam in it. We're going to be pulling that out and fitting this. Yummy. Little D15 single cam VTEC. Other than looking absolutely terrible, it's actually a minter of an engine, a low Ks, about 70,000 Ks on it. Let's see if the camera will pick it up how clean she is in there. Oh, not really. Yeah, first things first, I reckon we get this lovely engine and tranny out of it and get her washed up. Thankfully nothing's actually been hooked up, this engine's just been lifted in and bolted up, that's it. No cables and everything, all just floating around, make it nice and easy and quick. I think it's just the axles have been fitted, that's about it. Yeah, we'll carry on. Sweet, got motor and tranny out. Now we're going to put the suspension and wheels back together and push it out the back and give all this a good water blast and clean up. She's filthy. Should come up good though, she's pretty tidy under there. And we're also going to pull that tranny off and give that a degrease and a water blast up as well and swap that over to the other motor. Another thing too is it's also got a new heavy duty clutch fitted, which we're going to swap over to the new engine too. Alright, now we get all the dusty crap and all the grease and the leaves and everything off with the good old trusty degreaser.
We about to turn it on. Turn it on.
That's the bay done. Probably saw I had to go over it 1 or 2 times. Some of it was caked on there and there was leaves everywhere. Might give the outside of it a quick water blast too. That'll do for now. Main thing is the engine bay looks good. We'll let it dry off and we'll go in and get that tranny off the other engine and give that a clean up. Sweet, it's a little bit better, not 100%, but it's good for now. It'll all be coming back out again anyway, so we'll give it one last clean up. Shut up. And we'll get this back inside too. So I didn't record that, but we got it back inside. Engine bay's a lot cleaner. That'll be about it for today. Tomorrow we'll start on getting rid of all the unnecessary carbureted engine rubbish, and also getting the clutch and flywheel and tranny and everything on this engine and chucking it in, seeing how it fits up. Now obviously once we've got it running, we're going to pull it all back out again and strip this engine down, give it a rebuild. Got some good plans for it. So yeah, tune in for the next video to see how she's going to be going. Cheers.